Hello everyone, and this is Coral Williams, and this is going to be on my primary channel. You can subscribe to my secondary channel, CoralTempest 2000, and CoralTempest 2000, and my third channel, CoralTempest Eating. From my Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch, right down the description below. And today we're opening, sorry about that, today we're opening Huion Kamvas 13, and this is what the tablet actually looks like. It's a creative pen display, and Canvas makes your own canvas boundless. Okay, let's open it up, shall we? I'm gonna use my face for a bit. Okay. Here we go. Here's the tablet. It has these buttons up here, like the power button, and then all the the option buttons you see, and it has the logo. But there's the adapters, which you can also put a stand on the back, and sometimes you need to charge it. There's a cloth, cleaning cloth to clean the screen. A pen holder, and also it's also used to have pens in there, which I'm gonna try to open it up and show you. There's actually pens in the pen tips are there to replace the pen tip up here. But yeah, and these are the right and left, and you can tap. I'm right-handed, so this is you have to be gentle. This is the adapter itself. This is the thing that you can charge it to the wall. This is the glove, which I use. It's actually more of a right-handed glove. It says Huion on it. This is actually the installer instructions. There was a book in there yesterday whenever I unboxed it. And yes, this was my early birthday gift. My birthday's on the 27th. October 27th. So, yeah. So that's all I might as well show you, I guess. So, hold up. Put it here so it won't stick, Okay. And then the tip in here, like that. And just see what's in the back. Looks like we have what's in the back. See? See, focus. It looks like, yeah, it's all that. Sorry. And yeah, it's from China. Canvas. So, I really liked it. And I hope I can make more art out of it. So, you like that? So, don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and I'll see you there. Bye.